Oh, looking good, girl.
Just another creep, just my luck. Please pick up. Hi, Dad. I'm stuck and I need you to come help me.
Sure thing, hon.
Mr. Reeves. Are you seriously screwing someone right now?
He'll be there soon.
What? Me? Who?
Drugging girls in my club? You must have a death wish.
You got the wrong guy, I swear!
Shut up. You have the worst timing. Hey, you know that favor you owe me? I'm cashing it in. Now.
What are you doing?
What's a princess like you doing in a place like this? It's nice and warm in the back of my truck.
You get away from me, creep.
Ah, you got a mouth on you, don't you?
Stop!
What the hell?
Mr. Collins? Dadson his best friend?
You're shivering. Come on, kiddo.
Kiddo? Why is he still calling me that? I'm a grown-ass woman.
Do you want me to roll out a red carpet for you or what? Let's go.
I haven't seen Mr. Collins in like 5 Christmases. He's buffer than everywhere.
Something wrong?
Your arm is wet from the rain.
Wipe it then. There's no rain up there.
Right, sorry. So why'd my dad send you anyway? Thought you'd be busy running your nightclub or beating up sleazebags, not picking up some guy's daughter. Come to think of it, I actually don't think I've seen my dad in months.
I don't do small talk.
Okay then. Oh, wait, stop. I need to pick something up.
No, I'm not taking a little kid to buy alcohol.
I am 22 years old.
Exactly, kiddo.
Shut up! You're not that much older than me. Look, I'm having a little kickback at my apartment later and I need to buy alcohol because otherwise nobody will want to be friends with me and then I won't have any friends for the rest of the year. And nobody...
If I take you, will you shut up?
Yes. I'll be quick.
You're not going out there dressed like that. It's not safe.
Has it been like this the whole time?
Yeah,
Why didn't you say something?
I just did.
You freaking creep! Give me a jacket or something.
When you're done checking me out, I think your store closes in 2 minutes.
I was not checking you out. That was a yawn.
Sure it was, kiddo. It's past your bedtime.
Stop calling me kid. You might actually make friends tonight, Harper.
This is a small kickback? Looks like a goddamn circus in there. Does your dad know about that?
Well, maybe if my dad actually bothered to visit, I would give a shit what he thinks, but he doesn't live here, and neither do you.
Yeah, about that. I live here now. He put me in charge. And I'm kicking everyone out.
Wait, Chris, no, please. This might be my only chance to make friends.
You can't buy your friends, kid.
I don't have another choice. I've barely met anyone since I transferred here, and this is my last year of college, and I don't want to graduate alone.
Fine. Have your kickback. Or not. Either way, I have to stay here until your dad gets back.
I don't need you to look after me!
Who is that?
No.
I'm going to kill you? Count your days, slut?
It's not a big deal, I can explain.
This is your ex, Brian. Your dad was talking about him, this sick fuck.
You guys were spying on me?
Mark cares about your safety. That's the only reason I'm here. It's either me living here or 3 bodyguards. Your choice.
You are not living here. I don't give a shit what my dad says. I don't need a babysitter.
And stop acting like a baby.
You better not show your face in there. I don't need you acting like an asshole to all my friends.
God damn it. Promised, Mark.
Whoa! Who's this? Bob Grandpa?
Grandpa? He's hotter than you, Mike.
Remind me why we're at a loser nobody's house when I run Greek life? Could literally be on a yacht right now.
Apparently this chick Harper Reeves has a rich dad. And rich dad means
Fancy alcohol!
Hi, Christina, Fox, and Becca, too. I can't believe you guys actually came to my party.
Duh! Wouldn't miss it. It's really nice to meet you.
Well, please, feel free to help yourselves.
Thanks, Heather.
Oh, it's Harper. Enjoy the party!
I guess this bottle of Macallan makes up for having to put up with that dork Harper.
Where's Harper?
Harper? Forget Harper. Hang out with me. I know somewhere we can talk. I
don't like talking.
Oh, I know your type, Daddy. Christina and I, we're into group activities. Talk or no talk.
You're telling me you would turn down the both of us? For that nobody Harper?
Sorry, ladies. I don't like my women desperate. Oh, and mention Harper's name again, and I'll make you regret it.
Huh? He really picked Harper over us?
I think we need to teach that nobody a lesson about what happens to skanks who think they can upstage us. use your bathroom? Everyone is using the one downstairs and... Ew.
Yeah, of course you can. You're like, you're school royalty.
Thanks. You know, I can't believe we didn't become friends earlier.
We're friends?
Of course! I have to pee. Wait for me?
Yeah, of course. I'll just maybe right outside my own room.
What dirt can I find? Oh, this is gold. Harper, you are one psychotic little bitch. Time to shut your loser party down.
I think I saw Harper go out there with a guy.
The hell?
Attention, everybody. Hello. You all seem a little bored, so why don't I spice things up by reading a few pages of Harper's diary. Let's see. Dear diary, Dad never wants to hang out with me. Sometimes I feel like he doesn't love me. Oh, Harper. Daddy issues much?
No! Christina, give it back!
Dad's friend, Chris, is like a DILF. That stands for a dad I'd like to fuck. And honestly, if he weren't my dad's best friend, you fantasize about fucking guys your dad's age? Harper, that is so nasty.
No, Christina, it's not true.
Christina, I think the bitch is in heat or something. Is all this talk about your weird grandpa fetish turning you on?
Let's cool her down.
No!
Fuck this. Jealous that a grandpa prefers Harper over a threesome with you and your loser friend?
You were supposed to get rid of him.
Come to her party, take advantage of her kindness, and you make fun of her family life?
It was a joke. It was a joke.
Joke is the fact that Harper turned out to be a good kid without her father in her life. Your dad taught you how to be a witch.
Chris, that's enough. Let her go.
Yeah, one last.
What the hell is wrong with you? You're too old to be this petty!
You're damn right I'm petty. Let's get one thing straight. Harper might be too kind to flash her family's connections. If you mess with her again, fuck you up.
But we're literally just girls.
I don't give a fuck. Everyone out! The fuck out!
What the hell was that? What the hell was that?
She hurt you.
Chris, I'm fine. Chris, I said I'm fine.
You crying? Why are you crying?
I don't understand.
Those aren't your friends, kid. They just tried to hurt you.
I don't need you to fight my battles for me. It's stupid. I know they're not my friends, but that was Christina Fox. You just embarrassed
I'm
me
gonna
in
stop
front
you
of,
right there.
and she's the queen of our
I
sport.
said stop!